Welcome back to another video. Today we will be installing some fog lights on the Charger. Right now we're just taking off the bumper. So this coming out and this coming out on each side. And then we'll be installing the headlights, the fog lights, and this halo kit with it from RGB, as some of y'all call it LGB. But yeah, now tune y'all in later once we get everything off, but let's get into it.
Look, that one just felt like. I only hit one clamp, and that motherfucker felt like it was.
So we took out this side already, but we took out both already on the left and right. Now we just gotta install
Oh, camera went this way.
following you.
Oh, snap.
Shit, well, we ran into a problem that the screws they gave us is too small to tie down the bumper. So, probably just have to get some more screws that can fit it. Cause I'm gonna have to probably do it tomorrow, cause that's the only day I'm off. I gotta go to work today. I know this video will probably be short. Shit, I forgot to record most of the whole day. But I can show y'all what we did. Like all these wires that's through here, you gotta run it through the car connect this to the battery because they give you an extra. Welcome back to another video. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom. But today I am starting back off with the fog lights, and right now I'm just trying to connect it and get things ready. And I'll be going outside and connect them and put them to the fog lights. I know it'll be dark outside, but the best time, this is the best moment to do them because y'all get to see the lights. Yeah, so what I gotta do in this process for right now, trying to connect everything, I'm gonna have to get a little screw, the screw right here, and like unscrew these parts right here. These two little dots are right here in this sections. And you gotta put these two cables, these two little black cables, black and red cables, in this box right here. So it's not really that hard. I just gotta just follow the directions and it should be easy. Sorry about the audio. The Bluetooth was connected to the car, but I can explain everything that happened on the video. Right now I am explaining what we're about to do. So at this point we're about to take off the bumper and straighten up all the lights for the fog lights. But we ran into a problem that we have to disassemble the fog lights, but we're not gonna do that on this one. I'm gonna show y'all on the next video. So we're actually starting to take off the front bumper and get all the wires right now. So right now I am about to show y'all the remote for the lights and how you change the colors. At this point, I was just explaining why I haven't been making any videos, and I was just waiting on a part for a downpipe. But since I know stuff is going to be taking like a month or 3 or 8 weeks for order, and stuff come off back from back order, so I'm just going to order the stuff that don't take too long for right now. But I'm still going to order the stuff that's take long. I'm just going to constantly have videos come out. So different cars I'm gonna be focused on: the Dodge Charger and the Veloster Turbo. And I was explaining that I have some stuff coming up, but I'm not gonna be actually showing it because on my channel, because I'm gonna be actually showing it on my Instagram. And right at this moment, my friend unscrewing the bumper, and we about to put on the fog lights. At some points, I'll keep explaining about the channels and stuff that I have coming to the channel. So please subscribe and just stay tuned because there'll be more stuff coming. At this point, we finally take off the bumper and connecting all the halo lights to the fog lights. At this point, we finally connect all the halo lights and turn them on. I should have got a farther back shot because it would probably look way better than this close-up one. So y'all seen the colors flipping on this fog light. So if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and comment and like.